Today's focus on adapting first aid provision to the environment, an essential part of ensuring workplace safety. Once hazards have been identified, your first aid provision must be tailored to meet the specific risks of your setting. A one-size-fits-all approach is rarely sufficient. In low-risk environments such as offices, a basic first aid kit and trained first aider may be adequate, but in higher risk settings like construction sites, kitchens, and workshops, you may require more advanced equipment, additional or specialist training, multiple trained personnel across shifts, and easily accessible kits placed strategically around the site. Consider additional needs such as lone working, public access, or remote locations. In these cases, mobile first aid kits, emergency contact systems, or even additional defibrillators may be necessary. The aim is to ensure help is never too far away, no matter the task or location.